How's it going, everyone? It's GQ. And I'm doing an unboxing video for you guys today. Here we go. The last unboxing I did was my Milsig M17 CQC. So here we go. This is, okay, let's throw that away. This is the Tacamo Blizzard from Modern Combat Solutions. It's a conversion kit for the Tippmann 98 Custom to switch from a hopper to a Magfed. There are different Magfed conversions, like you take off the hopper and then you put like another so that you could shoot the Tippmann mags. In this conversion, you're going to be able to stick your 7 or your 14 round D mags, your 20 round D mags, or your 21 round D mag helix. Okay, in this box should come with one helix mag. I'm going to just put that box aside. Okay, alright, this is just tools when we put this thing together. Anyway, here we got basically your instructions, but all you really got to do, and then here's the instructions for the DMag helix. But it's really, once you get it, you kind of already know what to do with it. This is your rod to load the magazine with. You put it down all the way and it'll lock up at the top. It's a little stiff. Alright, there you go. So now the follower's pushed all the way down and it locks, so there's no winding to it. It's really simple to clean. You just push these two tabs, you slide it down and whatnot, and then you clean it. So here it is. Wow. Now I gotta say, the metal on this is like really well done. It's very soft, not like the 98. The 98 bottom is like it's like rough. This is the softest metal I've ever touched. Wow. So all we're really going to be doing is taking, it looks like they include this Allen, this screw, and that's it. And then this is a pin that you push out from this side, you pull it, the pin comes out, and then this is gonna drop down like that. So if you get a break or anything, or if you want to clean it out, it's as simple as cleaning it just like that, and then the whole magwell will come off. You can clean it. Okay, so you just snap that back right there, put this pin back in here, slap that bad boy right there, and now we're gonna start putting the internals of this guy in this guy. So let's do that together now, shall we? Alright, so basically just want to talk to you guys about a few things while I do this. Mind me by looking for the correct Allen key, because I just throw all these Allen keys here. Yeah, this is too small. Yeah, so just wanted to talk to you guys about a few things. There are going to be a few changes to the channel, or not changes I should say, but different videos. Okay, so Huggy Bear from SAS Massachusetts sent me a few action videos of him playing, so we're gonna have some videos of him on the channel soon. He also was able to get me some music that I could use in my videos. So instead of the YouTube music, now we'll be able to listen to some legit rock music. Okay. I'm gonna be playing at a few events and whatnot coming up. I'm gonna always be playing walk-ons at almost like every weekend. I try to go every Sunday, but I've been going a lot of Saturdays lately. to Cousins Paintball in Manchester. So if you want to come out and play with me there, that's where I go. That's like my main field. You can also message me on Facebook. I'll put my Facebook link into the description below, and message me if you want to join SAS, New York, New Jersey. So if you live in the New York area or the New Jersey area and you want to join a team, message me on Facebook and I'll help you in that process. It's quite simple. All you do is ask. Okay. Also, if you want to ask me if to play, like for me to come with you and play at the field, whatever you're playing at, feel free. I love playing paintball. I love playing some Magfed. I love getting action footage, and I love getting footage of people who watch my channel. I like to play with them and get footage with them. You know, I've done GQ and fans video, and you guys seem to have liked that video, so you know, why don't you be one of the fans that comes out and play with me? Okay, I play in Staten Island. Ooh, this is disgusting. Whatever. I play in Staten Island. I play in New Jersey. I play in New York. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna go clean this because this is dirty. I'm gonna go clean it in the sink and whatnot. So I'll go get back to you guys. All right. Alrighty. So I cleaned it up and I put it all back together again so that you guys don't get lost. It's a 98. Some people don't know how to, you know, deal with paintball gun markers or anything like that. By the way, call them paintball markers, don't call them paintball guns. Okay, so we're gonna start by taking this foregrip off. Take these two guys out. Take this off, and I'm gonna tell you how to put this back together again when we do it in the Blizzard. Okay. Take the D10 out. Pop this back. Take this off. You don't have to take out these springs. Just turn it a little bit. Take this bar off. Take this out. Now this piece isn't gonna come out because we still have two screws on the back that I always forget to take out. It's easier to take them out when you're taking these out. So just take these out, flip it around, and take out the two other screws. I'll show you. Pull this out. Okay. Now there's gonna be this. There's gonna be all these. There's gonna be all these little pins. They're all like the same size, so it don't matter how you do them. Take your safety mechanism out. Don't matter. They're all the same. They're all the same. So just put them together. Now the ones that aren't the same are these two little tiny pins that help this bar. They're like guide pins. Okay. This little spring. Take that. And the one that was here. The little pin that was here is right here. This one's a little smaller. It's a little smaller than those. Those are a little longer. So just keep that together there. Alright, put your trigger aside. I'm going to put everything in this tray. I don't want, you know, all this grease or whatever, oil on my bed. So, okay, unscrew these. Then these are just like 2 turns and then they come out. Nothing much. Okay, then take this bad boy out. Okay, so now everything is stripped out of the original 98 Custom. except all the screws there. We're actually going to need these grips too, so let's find the Allen key for these grips. Yep, there we go, first try. There we go. It's very easy to take apart a 98 Custom. That's why it's so popular. Just like it was the workhorse, still is. And now, you die-hard Magfed players, you love your Tippmanns. Everybody got one in their basement, or they got one in their shed or whatnot. Everybody got one. Now you guys could reborn your 98s for the low price of $100. You could get this nice kit, nice Blizzard kit. Also, I do have a coupon code. It'll save you 10% at checkout. That will be in the description below too. And it'll be right in front of your face because I'll put it up right now in text. Okay? So, there you go. Okay? Alright, so our grips are off. We're going to put the grips on the Blizzard. Okay? These all side. Okay. So now we're going to take this screw off. I'm going to pop this pin. And then take the mag well off. There we go. Take out this screw. I mean, the Blizzard's gonna get scratched up while we play, but let's try to take care of it as much as we can right now. Open sesame. How do we open this? How do we open? Come on. Come on. Open sesame. Oh, okay. This is a screw. Okay. Is it the same size? Yes, it is. Okay, so we need 2 of these. 1 on each side. Do I even have 2 of these Allen keys? Or am I screwed? I might be screwed, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, this one's crappy and it's not the same size. But it looks like it's doing the job. We got this. Alright, there we go. Alrighty. Didn't know that. They say we're getting to know this together. Alright, there we go. We're getting to know this marker together. That's a good thing. Because it shows you that we're doing this legit. Okay? So, let's start by putting this baby in there. Now, I'm gonna just put this together dry. I'm not gonna put any lube or anything in there. Until I do it after, because I don't have any oils with me. But when you do put this back together, I would recommend you grease this. So you get some kind of grease and you put this, because this is going to be sliding back and forth, the bolt. Okay? Bolt's going to be going back and forth, so you're going to have traction there. I recommend lubing that. Then I recommend extra lube on this O-ring. Okay, this is going to be going back and forth, so just lube the whole thing. Well, don't lube the whole thing. Just lube right here, really. And yeah, because this is the only really thing that moves back. Whenever something moves back and forth and creates friction, lube it up so that it'll cause less friction. It'll make your marker last longer, and it'll be more efficient with air. It'll be more air efficient. So just put a little oil there, or grease. Put grease there, and then put oil on the O-ring. Don't matter. You can put grease wherever. Okay. So now we're gonna put these pins. Actually, it comes with this, and told me in the instructions to put these in there. Okay. So let's look where it tells us to put them in. Alright. Put this retaining pin in the retaining pin hole. Right there. Bam. And put this O-ring. It's a good thing we didn't screw this in. Come on. Come out now. Put this O-ring right here. There's a cutout here, so you know exactly where to put it. You can't really mess that one up, okay? Alright, so that O-ring's there, that pin's there. I mean, I don't notice the difference between this pin. I mean, it has like little like ridges in them, but it's still loose in there. I don't know. Is it supposed to go like solid in the other one? Looks like it. Alright, cool. And we'll put this in backwards then, so that the ridges are pointing upwards. Okay, put that right there. Alright, so that when it goes in here, because it sticks in there nice. Alright, so that's that. Oh no, I got it all oily from... Alright, whatever. So there's so many things to do here. So let's get on to it. Okay, so this I just put that in backwards. That's backwards. Put it in this way, okay? With this little O-ring part facing forward, okay? Bam. And now put your detent. Now when I first got my 98, I knew I put this in backwards. Okay, you put it down. Now I just do it out of force of habit. The ball would be here, right? And then it would go that way. So this detent should be like that. I put it in like this way. And then guess what? The bolt comes and hits it just like that. And you get screwed up, okay? So put it in this way. Like that, okay? Put that forward, make it easier for us. We don't need this thing. We don't need this, because we're not using a hopper, okay? We need this. We're gonna put it in here, in this hole right here, as you can see. Put it in there. But we also want to put that other little pin. Just grab another little pin. Even though they gave you one little pin, so now you can have one little pin extra. Put it in that little pinhole. Bam. Now put this in the middle. And then put this right here in this hole. Like that. I hope this is recording good, because I'm not doing this again. You know, I got the GoPro head strapper. Alright. So okay. Now put these two guys in here. There and there, because then this hose is gonna go right here. And we're gonna screw them in like that. Okay. let's just put this in here. There's so many places to start. As long as all the parts get in, it's okay. Alright, now we're gonna put all these pins in all these little holes. Boop, boop. Boop. And boop. Okay. Now we're gonna put our trigger there. Put this here. Now if you need, slow down the video, watch it again and again and again and again. Get my views up there. No, I'm just kidding. Just watch it again if you need to know what I did. Okay, all I did was put that there in this area, whatnot. Just pause the video, take a look at it, continue the video. Put this red up facing towards you in that hole. Then my other spring for the trigger. You'll notice it because it's a smaller spring than this spring. Okay, so now when you pull the trigger, this will push it back up. All right. So now I think we're done. I think we're done, guys. Let's get it. All right, put this. I always forget something. Take a double look. You know, look back at it. Wow, and look if you did everything right. We did everything right. All right. And if we didn't do everything right, then I'm gonna look just silly, and I don't want to look silly. Yeah. Ow, my fingers. Watch your fingers, guys. You might get them snapped. Why is this not going? I'm telling you, it's that pin. It's that pin. It's that little pin that they give you. It's that little pin that they give you. I don't want that one. I want my little one that I had. I don't know why they give you that one. Look. Now all this. If you ever need to open it back up and redo something and put it back together again, make sure you put all your things in. See? Little pen that they give you messed me up. Alright. Now let's try this again. Put it in. Oh, we're getting text messages. Right. I guess we're good. There it is. There it is. Alright. Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright. So just wiggle it with your fingers like that, both halves, you know, and just squeeze and it'll lock in place, okay? Alright, so the two screws, we gotta screw these in. Where are those little ones? There they are. These little ones. Gotta put these in. Because I thought you could play with these with the marker without these back a long time ago. And it was messing up and I had no idea what was going on. And then the guy was like, Where's those screws? And I was just like, you need those screws? He's like, yeah, you need those screws. So I was just like, alright, Give me those screws. So he, because I lost them, I didn't know where they were. So he got me some more screws. I put them in. I wind up stripping the pipe, the black thing that you screw these into, and then that was game over. Then I had to buy another one. It was like $15. No, wait, it was like, was it $15? I think it was like $15. No, I think it was like $5. Something with a 5, okay? And then I was screwed. But this seam is like, it's open. Maybe when we start screwing it together, it'll chill out. And what is this one? Alright. Okay. So this long one goes in the... Where does this long one come from? This... Alright, let's look at our sizes. I'm telling you guys, we're learning this thing together. Learning this thing together. It's okay. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun to do these things as friends. No, I'm not just some guy who just doesn't know how to work a freaking Tippmann, you know? Tippmann is like the easiest one. Well, there we go. Bye, buddy. Alright. Alright. So look, this one that they gave us was like here. So that fits perfect. This one that they gave us was like here. So let me screw this in. And it's not going to reach because of that seam, right? Nope, it reaches. And it's threading. Keep on threading. Alright, there we go. Alright, that's enough. Thread this puppy in there. Oh, you know what? That's why they gave you those. That's why they gave you those, because those are different. Those are different lengths, I think. So make sure you don't lose them. This one's threading. Nice. This one. Wait, no, this one, they gave us the other one. But that one was threading. That one was threading. So they gave us this one. So push this one there. So I guess that one doesn't really matter. You know what, if I try it again, I think that one would fit there too. But it's alright. These are new screws, so why not use them, right? Alright. I don't really do these installation videos for you guys, you know? If you like these things, you know, let me know. I'll make sure to do more of them. No, this doesn't go there. Alrighty. Alrighty, those don't go. So we need a longer one. I don't think this is matching those threads. Wait, it might reach. It's not looking good for us, guys. It's not reaching. Alright. Let's try this one. Alright, this one went. Good enough. Alright. Not going. Alright, cool. Now what? This one? Alright, not reaching, cool. Alright, doesn't I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna take this one out because maybe it'll go here. Yep, it goes there, guys. It goes there. Cool, cool. So what about these? They don't thread. So what about this one? Guys, we've been recording for a while now. Like, we've been recording for 23 minutes here. Hopefully it's not that long. Hopefully I edit. Oop. Alright, it goes here. So perfect. Perfect. And we put this one here, because we said it would thread before. Yep, and it threads. Alright, cool. Now we put this one here. This one threads. Sweet. Now we put this one. That's where these screws come in. Okay, this long one and this short one. Those go like that, okay? But I can't wait to play. I want to play. I don't want to install no more. I just want to play. I've been installing for mad long. Hold on, let's do it like this. Alright, I didn't do this one all the way because you want to even it out a little bit. Kind of like changing a tire, okay? Kind of like changing a tire. Ooh, I can't wait to play. This metal is so soft, I don't even know if I want to put the grips on it. But you got it, because you don't want to, there's holes in here, you don't want to get it dirty. You don't want to get it dirty now, it's brand new. It's going to get dirty, but keep it looking fresh as long as possible. That's the GQ way. That's GQ right there. Ooh! Ooh, I can't wait to play with this. I cannot wait to play with this. Guys? Guys? It's gonna be legit. This is gonna be something. Wish I had new grips. Look at it, it's all dirty. It's all dirty. That's not GQ. GQ. Your stuff gotta be looking fresh. Come on. We're gonna change these grips out. We're gonna get new grips. We're gonna get new ones. Maybe some wood ones? I saw some wood ones. I seen them. I have high hopes for this marker right here. Look at this. Number 589. And you know why it's number 589? I don't know why. Let me know if you know in the comments. Alright. This is actually this marker right here, this 98 is my friend John's. My friend John. He was in one of my videos before. You might not remember. I don't remember the title to it. But it was when we played at Long Live Paintball. Some of you might know what Long Live Paintball is. Like you New Yorkers out there, you Long Islanders. Because that's where it is. It's in Long Island. So Long Live Paintball. He was playing with me there. He was running his 98 there. And I hooked it up to shoot the Magfed conversion kit with the Zeta mags off the side. But this just looks unbelievably nice. Look at this. Look at this. You could do chamber checks. So if there's a ball in the chamber, you'll see it right there. Like my 468. Doesn't have lock bolt. You could put a lock bolt in here. You could put a lock bolt here. You could put an E trigger, an electric trigger here, but in Magfed, I know a lot of you Magfed guys, besides you die damn guys, a lot of you Magfed guys want to stay mechanical, just like me. I want to stay mechanical with this thing. I might keep it just semi-auto like this, or I might install a response trigger to it. I never had a response trigger, never had an E trigger. Let's give it a try. I did have a fully mechanical trigger when I had my M17. So it was always a pleasure shooting that thing in full auto. All right, let's screw this bad boy in real quick. That's not the one. Which one was the one? Come on, guys. Guys, which one was it? It was this crappy one, and we found a different one. Oh, it was the original one. Alright, that's good enough. You don't want to over tighten it, especially when this one's not the size, but for some reason it works. It's definitely not the size. Would this side work? Okay, it is the size. You know what it is this side is broken. This side is like chipped, so that's why. But yeah, all these screws here, all of them, just screw them in until they get a little tight. You don't need to, go down, like tighten hard or anything like that. Just enough. Look, just enough so that they're tight in there. Ooh, this thing is gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Alright, now you put this here. You put this pin back in. Ooh, it's gonna be nice. Slap that in there. And there you go, your blizzard. Where's my barrel? Barrel! Hey! 1 second. 1 second, let me get the barrel. Alright, here's the barrel. This is from my Project Salvo. I also have that barrel right there. It's really good, but going with this one for the tactical built-in muzzle brake. This still takes your 98 threads, so you can put your 98 custom barrel that you already had, put it on here. So this is it. I'm so happy with this. Hold on, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I can't wait to shoot this thing. Put the tank right here. Oh my goodness. That mag release is so nice. That insertion, so nice. Dude. This is gonna be my new favorite marker, I think. To be honest, man, I think this is gonna be my new favorite marker. What? It's so light, it's so comfortable. Guys, if you own a 98 custom, if you own a 98 custom, guys, and you're watching my videos, and you love Magfed, dude, $100. This was the best $100 I ever spent. Are you kidding me right now? I never bought a kit before. Like the Blizzard and the Storm is the same thing. But the Storm has the key mod handguard built into it. The Storm, the Blizzard are the same thing as the 98 custom body, a Magfed body. So depends what you want to spend. If you want that handguard, if you want that stuff, go with that. It comes with the stock and everything. Go with that if that's what you want. If you want a whole, marker. But if you own a 98, for $100, you could get a Blizzard. And you could get 98s like I seen this one. My friend John got at a flea market. I think he said for like $20. But yeah, that's gonna be rare. But 98s, they go for like $75, $50 to $75. 98s go for. So like basically $150 to $175 marker. You could get this thing. You could get it with all the internals and everything too. Link to the kit, link to the marker itself in the description below. I hope this installation video helped you. There's gonna be footage of this being fired very soon. I wanted to do this installation on site, like on a field, but I didn't want to lose any parts, so I did it here. Unboxed it for you, installed it for you. It took a while, but it was very easy, like you've seen. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Leave a like on this video. I would very appreciate that, and share it with your friends, you know. 10% off to all my subscribers, all my viewers. That will also be in the description below and at the end of the video. New action video coming out this week very soon. My internet was screwed up for the past week or so, so I got it back and running. So you're gonna get more videos out very soon. I've been making videos, but I couldn't upload them, so I'm gonna upload them. This uses the DMAG Helix. It's gonna use your other DMAGs, so whatever you prefer. This is SASGQ playing Magfed with style, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you all in the next Magfed video.